Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you pretty quickly how you can add blur in your image. Now, if you want to soften the entire image for a dreamy look or to hide noise, let's go to the detail tab. So right here, or press Alt and D. Now open the noise reduction tool, this one here, and power on. Just like that. And what we are doing now is push the luminance slider to the high value, let's say 50, between 50 and 100, and set luminance detail, leave it at 0. This will, over denoising, creates a smooth blurred effect. And yeah, with that, you will put a little bit blur into your image. Now for more creative blur, go to the Advanced tab right here, and then Wavelet Levels right over here. And now here you can adjust here Wavelet Levels. So you have disabled the small levels, so 1, 2, 3 to remove fine detail while keeping large file shapes. So this will create a very smooth artistic blur. Let's say advanced, and yeah, here blur levels, you see it here. And now you can play with it right here. You can also use this graph blur by levels. You have option of linear air or equalizer. And yeah, this is basically what you can do. You just need to play with these settings here a little bit, and you will find the way that you like. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the